wildlife.
Wildlife is a journey into the heart of Earth, where time moves differently and the clock is set by the sun, the wind, and the pulse of living creatures. This is a world where survival is a daily art form and beauty hides in the struggles that shape every life. The lion does not rule by cruelty, but by presence, its roar. Not a command, but a chorus that echoes through the savannah. A song of territory, a reminder of its role. The cubs learn fast. They must the world teaches them with every step through thorn and dust. The elephants remember they are carriers of stories passed down, not in words but in paths worn into the land. In waterholes found, in times of drought, in the silence they share. When one of their own falls, the giraffe moves through the trees like a thought, tall, quiet, watching the world from above. It sees the storms before they come. It feels the shift in wind. Long before others sense it, the zebras move, in unison. No leader just trusts they survive because they are never alone. Their stripes confuse their patterns, protect unity is their shield. The cheetah stands still. Muscles tense, it does not waste energy. Every sprint is calculated, every move measured when it runs. The world pauses in respect, its grace is the language of speed. The rhino walks as if carrying the land. On its back, heavy and slow, but full of meaning, it fears no predator. Only man for its horn has become a curse more than a crown. The hippos rest by day. But when the sun dips, they rise. Not just gentle giants, but fierce defenders of territory, of space, of peace. They bellow, not to frighten, but to claim what is rightfully theirs. The crocodile waits silent, still as stone. Until the moment comes, then it is pure motion, pure precision, its patience, is the mark of a creature that knows its place and never needs to prove it. The birds migrate, guided by stars. Generations old, they carry the seasons in their wings. They sing not for us, but for the sky and for each other. Their songs map the air. The bees pollinate the grass. The butterflies drift on. Warm winds all seem fragile, yet they are the foundation. Without them, there is no cycle. Without them, there is no wild. The jackal moves with purpose, unseen but ever present. It feeds on what is left behind, but leaves behind no waste. It is the balance, the one who sees what others miss. The hyena laughs, but not from joy. It speaks in warnings. In echoes, it knows its place. Not as a villain, but as a cleaner, as a survivor. The vultures come, last but they are not, least they are. The final note in the song of the hunt without them. The circle would break without them, decay would rule. When night falls, the wild changes, but it never sleeps. Eyes glow in darkness. Sounds travel farther. Fear mixes with curiosity, but life continues. The owl watches, the leopard hunts, the bat flutters, the air grows cooler, the stories deeper. Under the stars, the creatures breathe in rhythm with the darkness. They own the night as surely as the lion owns the day. The insects continue their work, building, feeding, recycling, tiny architects of the earth that never ask for thanks, but without whom nothing would grow. The trees whisper with leaves, telling tales of rain, of drought, of fire and rebirth. Each creature, from the smallest mouse to the towering elephant, plays its part in this living puzzle. There is no waste, no pride, no greed, just roles played with perfection, a system that has worked since before our first fire was lit and will continue, long after our last one fades. Unless we choose to protect, unless we choose to change, the wild does not need us, but we need the wild. It grounds us, teaches us, reminds us that life at its core is connection, movement, and balance to witness. It is a gift. To understand it is a responsibility. In the heartbeat of the wild, we remember who we were before the cities, before the noise, and who we still might be. If we listen, if we watch, if we learn, then the wild will not be a memory, but a shared future.